focused. We got this. Now, where do we go from here? Very importantly, you have to watch yesterday's video. It's an absolutely important video, so you understand the context from where we got here. I talked about this context here, right, at the start, right? We had that continuation structure, and you see that continuation structure here forming with that cup and handle and that 5-day moving average that we reclaimed. You have to watch yesterday's video because I talked about this buying continuation structure. I talked about this liquidity wedge here. I talked about the other wedge here as well, together with the 20-day moving average. Very important. Now, at this point here, you see the liquidity that's building, plenty of liquidity that's building here. So this one, that's a yellowing algorithm here, right? And if you want to see any possible dump, right, you have to be very careful about this liquidity. This has to happen first. You have to be careful about charting the green algorithm here. Now, wait for the green algorithm. If this wants to head down, you see the liquidity, pockets of liquidity right here, especially where the 5-day moving average will be. Now, 5-day moving average may start trending up together with this main yellow algorithm here. And this will be the main liquidity if the bears wants to take it. This one more here, together with the blue algorithm. That will be where the 20-day moving average will be as well. So pay close attention to that. Now, the main liquidity, as I mentioned in yesterday's video, will be near where the blue algorithm and the 20-day moving average will be. So let's see if we do get there on FOMC next week. Remember, on the way up, this is still a buying continuation. You need to learn to see this, right? Buying continuation here. I talked about how this green algorithm can be controlling the liquidity here. Now, we do happen to head up early. I'm not too keen about this yet. I do hope that we grab more liquidity like that. This will be very ideal, grabbing the liquidity early there. Otherwise, wait for the cups to close. I want to wait for cups to close. In that case, you will see more liquidity that's being built right here, grabbing the liquidity from this particular level that we were building today. So pay close attention to that. If that happens, this will be ideal. Otherwise, wait for the cups to close. As I always mentioned, you will always find a clear entry once we soak up all the sellers here, right? Especially this. There are still sellers there. You just have to be more careful. And remember, easy way down, easy way up. If you understand this, understanding using the structure to guide you, right? I talked about this in yesterday's video. You have to watch it and remember the key levels that I talked about in yesterday's video. Now, Monday is always like that. They're always building liquidity to